Let's talk about how to build a website in New Zenler and make it easy. I don't know about you, but about 4 years ago, I popped on the New Zenler platform and was like, I got to build a sales page, went into the website builder and was like, holy crap, I don't know how to do this. And I want to show you today how to make websites super simple using New Zenler website templates. Let's dive right into it. Hey, I'm Steph, and I design website templates specific for New Zenler, and they make the process super quick and fast. All right, so here we are inside New Zenler. Let's pop over to Site, and let's go to Pages. Okay, so here we are in Pages, and if we click on the home page, you're gonna see that it just looks like this. Not much going on here, okay? So how do we change this, and how do we get an awesome website? How do you do it? So when we open up the website builder, you're going to be like, okay, there's these things I click on. And once you start to customize it, it can get kind of tricky. Websites in their simplest form are designed by blocks. So this is the header block, and then another block, then another block. So I want to give you a cheat sheet. What if you could put in a template? So here's a website homepage template that I made that you can insert into your website literally within minutes. Let me show you how this works. Because when I first heard about website templates, I was like, I don't get how that is even possible. Okay, so for someone who grabs one of my website templates, you're going to open it up and I'm going to give you a tutorial, super short, on how to install the template. And it usually takes people about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. And to do it, you need what we call the template code. Okay. So you just open up the link that I give you, and it's going to look like this. And you might be like, oh my gosh, that looks super intimidating, but this is so cool. Trust me. Okay. So with this is what you're purchasing basically. So we copy it and then we pop over to the website, okay, that you're designing. We click to add a new block. Okay, so we have a completely empty block. Come over here, we delete what's there, pop in the new stuff and click save. And then all of a sudden, this gets inserted automatically into your site. So now you can go in and you can change. So you could change this. So if you wanted it to be your name, like for me, mine would be Stephanie Parisi, and then you could add in a tagline, things like that. But you can see how it makes it easy to customize really, really quickly. Let me show you one more. We'll add in one more block. This makes websites simple. And that is why I created website templates. So here we go, we copy paste, copy it, hop over to the site that we're designing, we paste it in, we click save, and boom, there you have this. So all you would be doing then is selecting the image to then pop in your own image, right? So you could pick your own picture and then insert in your name. And I gave you exactly what you should be saying here. So this makes websites really simple. Go to parisipack.com/shop if you want to check out the website templates that I have available to save you a ton of time, to save you a lot of money versus having someone design the site for you.